very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the European Rundown for today, Friday the 17th of June. Relatively quiet at the opening here in Europe. We did see, though, the cabinet reshuffling from Greece, which was largely as expected. We have seen announced that the former Greek Finance Minister Papakonstantinou has now been moved to the head of Environmental Ministry, and replacing him is the Defence Minister Venizelos, who will now take the role as Greek Finance Minister and Vice Premier of the country. Market reaction to that, though, was relatively muted, given that much of the reshuffling is to be as expected as they look to push forward with negotiations at a European level. However, what we have seen is a bit of a about turn in sentiment. This has come after market chatter has done the rounds, after a Greek website was reporting speculation that the totality, the size of a potential Greek deal could be 150 billion euros. That's quite substantially higher than the previously touted amount of around 120. This does remain unconfirmed, but at the moment we've seen a sharp fall off in the dollar index, which was up around 0.33% at the European Open. It is now down in negative territory, and it's bolstered the euro across the board, and Bund futures have come under pressure as stock futures have come back toward near unchanged in Europe. We'll continue to monitor that situation, and one thing which is ongoing at the moment is that the German President Sarkozy is meeting with the German Chancellor Merkel. We'll see whether they can come to any kind of agreement on particularly the German side in getting authorization to approve this next tranche or part of the bailout program for Greece. Other than that, looking forward in terms of other things to keep an eye on, we will have the preliminary Michigan June report to come from the US. That's going to be the highlight this afternoon. And also it is quadruple witching day, so it means that index, single stock and option future expiries are all coming to a head today. So quadruple witching could provide a degree of extra volatility to the markets today, also as well given the ongoing focus with Greece heading in toward the weekend. That's pretty much it, though, from me here in London. One of my colleagues will update you again on the markets this afternoon at the cash equity close in Europe. So for the time being, have yourself a great trading day and a fantastic weekend.